Titan! My brother rises through the smoke to break the monster's chain.
If you've been trying to monetize YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok and nothing is working, these super AI videos are here to change everything for you. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to create these super AI videos, and creators who master them are monetizing up to 10 times faster. In this course, you will learn how to create every type of viral AI video, such as educational AI videos, cinematic, kid stories, wellness, psychology, and so much more. We take you step by step, from prompts to images to animations to voiceovers to editing, and everything you need to produce stunning AI videos within minutes. No experience is needed here. You will create your first professional and engaging AI video in this course, even if you've never created AI video before.
Start creating AI videos that get viewers' attention, skyrocket subscribers, and push your channels to monetization faster than traditional content.
This is not theory. It's a practical system we use daily to produce monetizable contents in days. And today, we are handing you over the complete blueprint.
Not just one blueprint. You won't just learn one style, you'll master multiple niches proven to pull in massive views and loyal subscribers.
Creators who follow this system publish more, grow faster, and monetize sooner than traditional creators because their content stands out instantly.
My name is George Steve. Enroll now and start creating AI videos that gets you viewers, organic subscribers, and help you monetize faster than before.
My name is Chris Mendes. Join George Steve and I today and create AI videos that accelerate your monetization journey. Thank you, and see you in the course.
Storm of the Titan!